Hello. Walibi Belgium's wet.
I am wet. He's wet.
Everyone's wet. I'm gonna go Kondaa first.
Yeah.
Hopefully my opinion of it has improved since last time.
Hopefully I'll be able to ride it.
That would be ideal. I'm also hungry, so I'm eating chocolate. But Kondaa time. We're inbound to Kondaa. Are you excited for Kondaa?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you think it'll be as good as Expedition G-Force?
We'll see.
We'll see. Back row time.
Let's go!
Oh, back row is definitely better to be. Kondaa is way better on the back row than last time.
Right? Thank you.
A little bit forceful.
Little bit forceful. Little bit forceful.
What did you think? And how did it stack up to Expedition G-Force? I know it's only one ride.
Maybe too early for
Yeah, it's too early.
Yeah.
I mean, it's great. I'm not entirely sold on it.
Yeah, okay, I can understand that.
Yeah.
It is very good, but
Good, yeah.
Expedition G-Force is bigged up to be very forceful, isn't it? So
It's forceful. On the right now.
hold on to my bag. There's a big instruction sign. Wow. Oh. Oh, the rain. Oh,
Running hard!
Tiki Waka's fun. What do you think of Tiki Waka? Thoughts?
Well, I love it. You know that.
It's good. It's just a nice little Gerstlauer.
Yeah.
It's really quiet as well, which I thought was odd, but very smooth.
And he doesn't take kids for dumbasses, which I like.
No, it actually does a little bit of thrill, which is fun.
Yeah,
but
just that
Gerstlauer
little
just
bit.
do great family coasters anyway. But just on Kondaa again, it is absolutely hauling at the moment. I don't know what they've done to it. It's so much better than
always
last
has been
time.
like that. It's just that I wasn't with you. That's why. On the left, guys.
This way, yeah. I don't know what's happened to it. It's just so quick. See it going. I love that ride there. Intamin.
Thank you.
Intamin cooked. Now we're going on this gigantic drop tower, which I'm pretty sure is a clone of Apocalypse that used to be Jota Manor. So I'm very excited to get back on that because I haven't been on Apocalypse since I was about 8. So that'll be good. my balls! Oh. That was very, very good. I loved it. It's just like getting back on Apocalypse. I love that so much. The drop just felt like it went on forever, and the amount of floater was insane. Intamin made 2 amazing rides at this park. Absolutely cooked. But we're going on Calamity Mine now, which is a not great. This is horrible, my hood's coming off. Big splash! Oh! I'm not soaked! Hello! Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh. How did he sat on you then? Hello, Kondaa! That was horrible. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. It was so wet, and yeah, it was wet. Did you like it? No. We're just about to go on Pulsar now. It's very cold today, but I am wearing a waterproof, so I'm hoping it won't be too bad. Pulsar's just fun. But the splash that it makes is insane. Just for a little boat like that, you think, oh, it wouldn't make too much of a big splash.
Oh no, we're gonna get so wet. No, 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 no. Oh. Holy shit. Okay. Okay.
Pulsar's very fun. We didn't actually get wet, which was surprising because it's quite cold today, so we took a bit of a risk going on it, but it is really fun. We need to see more of these. I know they're not the most reliable. It's such a fun ride. Yeah, they're really good. We're going on Psyche Underground now. Sports shuttle loop, but completely indoors. That's the loop over there. It's so cool. All the lights and stuff look very nice, and it's got new trains, so that should be interesting. This whole area is going to get rethemed sometime next year when a new coaster comes in. Looks like it's going to be a launch go-style family coaster, which will be nice, but I really love this coaster. I'm glad they've kept the classics alive.
I love it so much.
I do wish we still had Schwarzkopf with us though. It's kind of sad because the amazing rides that they made, and they still hold up today. Like, that was really smooth and very forceful. So we've just eaten, done that kids coaster that I can't remember the name of.
Fun pilot.
Yeah, that one. It was quite fun. The first drop isn't actually quite good at the back.
Yeah.
We just took over the back of the train, which is quite fun.
Yeah,
and then we're going to do popcorn
Yeah.
Popcorn's Revenge next, really great dark ride. Zooming around. And then we're gonna do then Cobra, which is when I'll see you next, and probably crying by that point because Cobra's horrible. 3 terrible Vekomas remain. Got Werewolf, the wooden coaster, Vampire, the SLC, and then Cobra, the boomerang. We decided against the 3 hoverable Vekomas. We're just gonna lap Kondaa.
That's a better choice, I think.
The much better choice. We got front row last ride. That was amazing.
That was very lucky and that was amazing. So, see you guys
I love it.
tomorrow for Ride to Happiness, the best coaster in
Ride
the
to
world.
Happiness tomorrow. I'm so excited.
I know you are.
We've wanted to get on Ride to Happiness for literally years, and now it's finally happening, so I cannot wait for that. So that'll be next week's video, or next vlog, whenever that'll be. I don't know when that'll be, but you'll find out.